Hey everybody, it's me Lillian Zup. So, I am about to make some dough, I guess you could call it dough, yeah. I guess that's the word for it. But yeah. So, yeah.
We lost you.
Yeah, when I make
thought
it.
you were lost forever.
Okay guys, so I'm back. So what you'll need is a spoon. I'm going to mix with, okay? A spoon, a big bowl, small bowl, whatever. Yep. Some flour. Can y'all see that? Some flour. And a cup of water. Well, 8 ounces. So 1.5 pint and 1 cup. So, yeah, that equals 1 cup. Food coloring of your choice. So yeah. So first, what you want to get is your bowl. Your bowl. Okay. So you want to get your flour. You want to do about 1, 2, 3. And you want to save some for after because you need to put it on your table. So like it won't stick to the table and all that. That's 5, I think, or 6. Okay, I'm gonna start out with that much first. And if I want to get more, I can get more. Yeah, I'm gonna get more. Because I have pretty much flour over here. So yeah. And if you hear any background noises, it is my grandpa's TV. So yeah. But it's okay, right? Yeah, it's okay. Like that. And you'll just wanna yeah, you can leave it like that. So what you wanna do is get your water. You wanna pour a little bit in at a time. Because if you pour it in a lot, then it might get too sticky and yeah. Like that much in at a time. Did y'all see how much I poured? You'll see it. I don't know if y'all can see it. But yeah, and then we're just gonna mix. Oh well, you wanna put the food coloring in your water, so yeah. I'm gonna make like a yellow, wait, let me see. Orchard, what does that say again? The first one?
Orchid.
What's that kind of color?
Orchid is like purple. Try lavender.
Peach, orange, lime, brown, turquoise. Yeah, I'm gonna do turquoise. Okay, so 4 drops of blue and 1 drop of green. Okay, so 4 drops of blue. So, okay, so 1, 2, 3, 4. Wait, that was 3. I'm not for sure. Okay, if it's not turquoise enough, then I'll just add some more of that blue. So yeah, and then 1 drop of that. So I'm gonna go get a spoon so I can mix that real fast. Okay, guys, so it is all mixed in now. It looks pretty dark, but it's actually pretty a good color. See, did y'all see how color that is? Color that was okay. So yeah, that's what color it is. So okay, so I'm gonna keep mixing this. Okay, yeah, and this is all-purpose flour. Just so y'all know, it's all whole-purpose white flour. Yeah, right? Yeah, yeah, all-purpose white flour. Didn't know if I said that right or not. So I have this little piece that I got off my spoon, and I think you kind of want this kind of texture, yeah, kind of this texture, but a little bit not that sticky. You get what I'm saying? But you'll have to knead it in later on. So yeah. Howdy, what you doing? You like that flower down there? That I accidentally dropped a while ago? Baby boy? Okay, so yeah, that's what it's like. Okay, so let me pour a little bit more water in. That's good. Did y'all see how much I poured? I'm not for sure. Wasn't watching the thing. So yeah, then you just want to keep mixing it until you get the right consistency. Okay. Yeah, you guys want to keep mixing until you get the right consistency.
Battery is.
So yeah, I had to pause it because we were taking a picture. Okay, and yeah. So yeah, we need to add more water. That's how much I'm gonna pour again. I think y'all saw. I'm not for sure if y'all saw with me. Not for sure. If y'all didn't, just comment and like, yeah. Well, I'll watch this video, so if y'all didn't, I'll just retry it later on. I'm probably like doing about like half of 3/4 or two. I'm doing about 2/3 of a cup every single time. So yeah. Yeah. And you want the consistency when it clumps up in the bowl. See how it's clumping all up? See how it's doing all that? Look at that. Oh, whoopsies. Who are you texting? Barb.
And I'll send a picture to Mom too. Right now I sent that to Barb. Now I'm going to send one to your mom.
When is the funeral?
It was at 2 o'clock today.
Oh.
And then they were supposed to. What they told me.
And they're spending a night, right?
Is that still on?
Yeah. Okay. So, I think this might be the consistency, but I think that I need to add more water. I'm pretty sure I need to add more water because this is what it looks like. But I think I need to still add, knead it more. Add more water. Okay. I'm gonna start kneading with my hands now. So, yeah. And if you always add more water, like a lot of water, then you can just. You sure I need to add more water? Or do I just need to knead it in? Add more flour.
That's good. Get all of it out of there. There's some on the side. Now on the side of the bowl.
Yeah, I'll get that in.
A little more flour. Just a little. Here, let me sprinkle some for you. You're getting a little help here. Just a little. And after you get that, then we can put it on the
you just want, I just added a little bit more flour. If y'all saw, I think y'all saw, yeah, but I'm pretty sure y'all saw. So, yeah. And I still have some flour residue in there, but I'm just trying to get it off my fingers right now. I have some in the bowl right now. I didn't get it all. I'm gonna start mixing with the. Oh no, it's fine. I'll just do this. I'll do that in a minute. Oh. So, if you can't get it off, then like you could just get the flour and roll your fingers around in it. But I don't need to do that because I'm like the expert, so I can get this off. Very easy, yeah. Very, very easy. But not really when it's between your fingernails or fingers. And I think I need to add a little bit more blue to that food coloring. I mean, to this dough. The dough, though, but I'm not for sure. Grandma, quit laughing.
I'm making dodo, though.
Dough. Okay, so, yeah. So I got most of it off, so if not, you just get a little bit of your flour, sprinkle it around, and just, like, pretend you're washing your hands. And it will come off. And just so you know, this gets messy, so here, yipperdoodles. I'm sorry, I've been lacking on my skits. Cause I was supposed to do one every Monday, Sunday, Monday, and Tuesday, but I haven't made one yet. Because last time I made one, but like, it was like weird. Okay, so yeah. I'm sorry, I'm lacking on it. Okay, so yeah. Back to the dough. Okay, sorry, that was my grandma's phone. She's texting my Aunt Barbara. Because my mom, I'm spending that with my grandma today because my mom is in Turkey, Texas. Kitty Quay, Texas. And yeah, that's why I'm spending the night with her tonight.
And to have fun.
Yeah. And we went to Lubbock today. If y'all did not see my Musical.lys, we went to Lubbock, Texas. If y'all don't know, Lubbock, Texas today. I have still dough in here, so let me get it. Okay, so I have dough in here still. If y'all heard me say that to my grandma, that I'm trying to get and knead and do all that stuff with. Yeah, so, yeah. Well, this is my dough right now. I'm going to set it down right here. I'm going to get this spoon. Stir. I'm sorry. Okay, so y'all should be expecting this tomorrow, and then on what's it called? I'm gonna make a slime tomorrow, so I'm gonna make a video how to make slime, or it might be foam. I'm not for sure. If my grandma would let me make foam, I'm not for sure. So yeah. But she probably will let me because she's a good grandma. So yeah.
let you make it because she's a good girl.
They're talking to each other by lip right now. My grandpa and my grandma. My grandpa's laughing at me, if y'all can hear him. And grandma's laughing at me too.
No, not at you, with you.
I'm not even laughing.
Now you are.
Yeah, because that was a funny joke. Can we go get some more lottery stuff? Try to win the lottery?
Oh, no.
Like the big Texas lottery, Texan lottery. Did we do that one?
You're on the thing. Do your video.
Oh, sorry.
Do your video. Quit worrying about things. Let me work on this.
She's sucking on needles over there.
I am not. It sounds like I'm a dope fiend or something.
I'm playing. She's my mom has a bunny that she sleeps with, and she is fixing it because
Bunny was coming apart.
yeah, what she said. She needed surgery. My mom had that for about 38 or 37 years.
Mm-hmm.
So, it's pretty old.
Yes.
So, now what you need to do, you need to get some flour and go like this with it. And then you need to put the, okay, so you need to put the dough
The dough ball.
and the bowl real fast. And you need to like go like this, like spread it out.
Yeah, the dough ball.
What?
Dough ball.
The dough ball right there.
Yeah. Tell them.
I did.
You didn't say dough ball. You just said dough.
The dough ball is in the bowl right now because I'm getting all the water and making it in a dough on the table real fast. And some people like their dough sticky, like me. So I might add a little bit more water. So yeah. So there we go. So now you need to get your dough ball. So this is your dough ball right now. And there's a lot of stuff on it. What the is that? Oh, it's still dough. I'm sorry. There's dough on my finger. Okay, so what you need to do is you just need to go like that and just like play around with it like this. Where are you going?
Look at here. I mean, everywhere it's coming apart. The thread's stronger than the material. Okay, how you doing with your dough over there, young lady?
Good.
Oh, that looks like good dough.
But I might add more water.
Why? It's looking good.
Because I like sticky dough.
Oh, stick it down.
Put these in my box.
I tried to straighten that back up.
No, don't worry about it.
Uh-huh.
No, that's only Kindle.
Huh?
Did you not hear what I said?
Uh-huh.
I said, oh, that's only Kindle.
Oh,
Yeah.
no.
That boy. No. And my grandma, she has these cracks in her. She has these cracks in her table, so like it gets in there. So yeah, I will come back when my dough is finished.